Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to see about the CA Foundation study plan. So in your examination of December 2022, you are only left with 45 days. You're only left with 45 days. In this last 45 days is most important for those syllabus because this is your last attempt under the old syllabus. From June 2024 onwards, you have come across with the new syllabus pattern. So what we are going to do it in this 45 days. Actually, you are left with 47 to 48 days. But I will take only 45 days because 3 to 4 days we will leave it as a we have so many. None of them would not study for continuously for the 45 to 48 days. So I will take 45 days. In this 45 days, as far as the CA foundation is concerned, you are having 4 papers. Okay, these 4 papers we divided into 2 combo. First combo is based on paper 1, that is accounting, and paper 4, that is economics. And paper number 2, that is law and BCR. Paper 3, that is regarding business mathematics, statistics, and logical reasoning. So we are left with, as we have already seen, we are left with 45 days. How this 45 days? In November, you are left with 17 days. In December, you are left with 30 days because 31st is your examination. So total 47 days. I have less sub 2 days and I will take 45 days as an effective days of study. Effective days of study is nothing but 45 days. In this 45 days, we are going to revise the subject 2 times. First time and second time. First time, we will give some more good clarity on the concepts and we will be able to understand it. After the second time, we will quickly revise the entire syllabus within a short duration and we will write one more test also. As coming back, we are having first combo and we are having second combo. In paper 1, that is regarding accounting, we are going to give 3 solid days for module 1 and 3 solid days for module 2. Or if someone has feel I need more conceptual clarity on module 2, you can give 4 days and 2 days as per your convenience. So in this entire 6 days, as far as a common man, as far as all the people who are doing this course, I will bifurcate it into three parts. In this first, I will directly go with module 2. In this module 2, 1 full day you should give it for partnership accounts and 1 full day for company accounts. And remaining 1 day is for financial accounting, and that is final accounts of a sole trader and a not-for-profit organization. In this 3 days, you should give chapter 6 plus PRS, inventories plus rectification of errors. Okay, and then in this part you are going with depreciation plus basics. If I say basics, it is nothing but chapter 1 and chapter 2. Okay, you should revise it in this order. The order is as per your convenience. Okay, and as far as paper 4 is concerned, you are going to give 1 day for basic A, only 1 day for basic A, remaining 4 days for economics. In this 4 days, we will divide it into, on first day, you will give some more effort on chapter 1 plus chapter 5. Chapter 1 plus chapter 5. Okay. And then remaining 3 days, you will give one day for each and every chapter. Chapter 2, chapter 3, and chapter 4. You will give one full solid days. Okay. In this approach, you want to complete this first combo. Or alternatively, put together, you got 11 days. Divide this 11 days in multiplied by 2. You will get 22 half a days. Correct. In this 22 half a days, bifurcate your plan. In this first half, in first half a day, I'm going to study BRS. On the second half a day, I'm going to study BCK first 3 chapters and then next 3 chapters. Like this, you will plan accordingly. First, you should have a proper plan. Then execution part will be there. But if you have a proper plan where to start and where to end, it will become more and more easy. You can get an overall view of it also. Okay, then coming back, we are going to spend extra 2 days or extra 2 days for this combo. This combo will take 11 days time and your combo number 2 will take 13 days time. Because most of the students will feel difficulty on paper 2 and paper 3, we are giving some more extra days for that also, especially for paper 3. As far as paper 2 is concerned, we are dividing this, we are taking the 6 days. In this 6 days, we are going to divide it into 1 plus 5. Okay, in that 1 day, you are going to study BCR. 1 full day or 2 half a days as per the concern. In this BCR part, what you need to do? First, complete communication. Okay, then second, complete active voice and passive voice, direct speech and indirect speech. Once it has been done, learn how to make note making, okay, and summary writing. Then others, article writing, precise writing, and then email writing, meetings, minute books. Like this you can prepare. Writing a letter to officers or given, they will give the heading and we will write a letter on it. Like this you will study. Majorly, if you want to focus, you will only focus on these 3 parts as a self-study. Remaining and all, you should know how to write and how to present that part. That is more than sufficient. You will take only 1 full day. You are left with 5 days. In this 5 days, you are going to give 2 days for contract act. This 2 days, you will bifurcate it into first 3 chapters, 1 to 3 and 4 to 6. And then you are left with 1 day. This 1 day, you will give it for Indian Partnership Act. And we have 1 more day, that is we are left it for Sales of Goods Act. The last 1 day is for company accounts plus LLP. If time permits, do LLP. Okay, like this, you will bifurcate for paper 2 is concerned. As far as paper 3, the most important part of this CA foundation is paper 3. For some students, it may be a easier paper. For some students, most of the students will difficult on paper 3. For this paper 3, we are given 7 days time for your first revision. How this 7 days we are bifurcating, I will just give an overall view and I will come up with the another separate video on how to score 60 above in paper number 3. I will give in with some separate videos in the upcoming days. In this 7 days, we will divide it into 3 parts, 1 plus 3 plus 3. 1 plus 3 plus 3 we are going to give. 1 day for logical reasoning, 3 days for business mathematics, 3 days is for business statistics. Suppose you have already done with logical reasoning part, give this 1 day as 3.5 days and 3.5 days. If not, give 3 days. Or if you feel I have felt statistics is very easy, give it 2 days. For business mathematics, give it 4 days. Okay. Next, one more important thing. For logical reasoning, first do direction test and then do blood relation. This is your first part. And after that, you will do seating arrangement and number series as your second. Okay. In this 1 day or 2 half a days, you will complete this. Remaining, then immediately go for business statistics. In this 3 days, you are totally having 6 chapters. Each day, do 2 chapters. Each and every day, do 2 chapters. Be concentrate on first 2 chapters, that is statistical description of data and measures of central tendency plus measures of dispersion. Give more weightage to this topic and then do correlation and regression analysis. Okay, and then do theoretical distribution and then do index number. Finally, do with the probability part and random variable. Okay, this should be your order. You can combine any 2 of this chapter and you can learn it. Okay, I will prefer to give. This will be a 1 bucket and this 2 will be a 1 set and this 2 will be a 1 set. Okay, then coming back for business mathematics, again you are going to divide it into 3 plus 2 plus 2. I hope so. You are having 7 chapters. Okay, on this part, ratios you are having, equations you are having, sets you are having, linear inequalities you are having, permutation combinations you are having, and sequence and series you are having. And finally, you have ended up with differential calculus. Okay, and integral calculus. I will take this as 2 parts because it is an important thing. I will take it as 2 parts: ratios, equations, sets. Then the ratios includes logical logarithms, indices, everything, and linear inequalities, permutation and combination, sequence and series, differentials and integrals. So in this 2 part, this should be an order to complete this. And most important thing is time value of money. I have forgotten to tell, because time value of money is the most important thing in business mathematics is concerned. Okay, as far as this chapter, business mathematics, you should follow an order. Okay, that is, I will give you a separate thing for business mathematics. Listen it here. Okay, I will give you a proper plan on it, how this 3 days will be bifurcated. On this 3 day, first, you are going to touch on time value of money for 1 full day. In full day, give more weightage. Simple interest and compound interest will be your 1 time, and then your annuity. Okay, give more weightage to annuity rather than giving more preferences to simple interest and compound interest. All the shortcut videos, as far as we have, as of now, we have uploaded 20 shortcut videos for this entire paper 3 is concerned. It is also in the description below. You can, the playlist in the description below. You can also check the same. You can also check the same. Okay. Then next. This entire thing you should need to complete it in the 2nd day. Okay. And the 3rd day is concerned, we will only set and complete this equation part. That's your 3rd day. Next, we are left with the second 2 days. The next 2 days plan will be like this. You will start with sequence and series. Okay, we'll start with sequence and series part. Okay, and then along with sequence and series, you will do sets and functions. Along with sequence and series, you will do sets and functions. Okay, this sets and functions. After that, if time permits, do permutation alone. Do permutation alone. Okay, next, this entire thing you need to complete it in 2 days. And then remaining 2 days, that's your 3rd bucket. In this 3rd bucket, you're going to start with combinations. Okay, and then differential calculus, and then integral calculus. Along with this, there is an application of mathematics in economics. Application of econometrics, that will be called as marginal cost, average cost, that kind of problem. Every year they are asking 1 or 2 questions. You are going to plan this. This entire thing, you are going to spend it for 2 days. Okay, this is how your entire plan should be. For this paper 3 is concerned. So if we do, and I will give one buffer day. I will give total one buffer day. In this first revision, entirely will take 25 days. Entirely will take how many days? 25 days without any test. Is it right? Without any test, you are going to get. What you are going on the completion of the 25th day, on 26th day, simply write paper 4 full syllabus test. Paper 4 full syllabus test. And 27th day, you are going to write paper 3 full syllabus test. This first test on 26th day, that is paper number 4 and paper number 3. Full syllabus test you are going to write. And then 28th day and 29th day. Okay, you are going to go to paper 2 and paper 1 immediately on the next day to test how much you are kept it in your memory, to test how much you will able to understand that concept. This is what you are going to do. Okay, nearly 30 days, approximately any 1 days if you take, nearly 13 days needed for first time revision. Okay, for first time revision you need how many days? 30 solid days you need. Okay, and you are left with remaining 15 days. In this 15 days, we will keep it for second revision. For those who are watching this video in this YouTube, suppose if you want to attend the test series, we are conducting the test series exclusively for CA Foundation. That test series we have named it as HACK. Hari's ability to conquer knowledge. That is a test series name. We are doing HACK. That is Hari's ability to conquer knowledge. That is a test series. We have done it for almost 3 years. We have got the good results. We get the good results from them. So we are planning to conduct paper 4 and paper 3, one free test for all over India. We are planning to conduct. For this, you need to download the Hari Academy CACSCMA app in the Play Store. That the same will be given in the description below also. Okay, the test day will be announcing through the same YouTube video before 5 to 6 days before the test series. Okay, kindly install this app and you will get a one full syllabus test series for paper 4 and paper 3. These 2 papers alone you will get a full syllabus test series. Next, we have come up with the most important crucial second revision plan. In the second revision plan, we will only going to take 12 days. We are only going to take 12 to 13 days approximately. I will tell you the plan. First, you will sit study for, you will take paper 4. You will give 2.5 days plus 0.5 days. That is equal to 3 days. Okay, in this 2.5 days, entire paper 4, you need to revise along with DCK. That is, if I want to tell, it is 4A plus 4B. That is 4A is economics, 4B is BCK. Okay, you need to do in this 2.5 days. What you need to do, you do not to sit study for all the exclusive chapters. What are the important topics you have marked on the first time revision? Where the points you have backlogs on that day, on that topics you need to do it here. On that 1.5 day, you need to write another test plan, another test series. You need to write it on the half day. If it is in half a day, it is maximum 2 hours or 3 hours. Okay, at the last 2 hours, you need to write one test series. As per the ICA pattern, you need to do, and you need to do one more thing. Try to do it in the OMR paper. Try to do it in the OMR paper. Okay, next. paper 3, again we are going to take 2.5 days plus 0.5 days. Here I will give you one more alternative also. You can also take this point as 3 days also. If you want, take 3 days. And this cases, it will become 13 days. Okay, it will become 13 to 14 days. Okay, actually this 14 days. This 3 days. How it is 14 days, I will tell you. Just wait a while. You will get exactly 3.5 days revision. Extra 1 day. Okay, 3.5 days as a revision plan. Okay, next. In this 3 days, give half a day for BCR. Remaining 2.5 days, sorry, 1.5 days for logical reasoning. 1.5 days for business mathematics. 1 day for business statistics. And a half a day, you will write as usual, one test plan. Next, as far as paper 2 is concerned, same 2.5 days I will be my actual plan plus 0.5 days is equal to 3 days. Actually, suppose if you want to give some more good time, give 3 days again for this paper. We are giving extra 2 days for paper 3 and paper 2 as compared to paper 1 and paper 4. It will become 3.5 days. Finally, it will become how many days? 13 days you have become. Okay, I will tell you. In this days, give 0.5 days for BCR. Okay, you are left with 2.5 days. In this 2.5 days, give one full solid day again for contract act. Remaining half a day now for companies. Next half is for partnership act. Next half for sales of goods. LLP you can keep it at last. Okay, if time permits, do along with contract act or do along with companies act. Okay, and the remaining half a day, you will write one test series. Okay, then we will come to paper 1. In this paper 1, if you feel you are not given extra time for in paper 1 revision, that is 6 days only we have given. Okay, we are not given full day, so we have only given 6 days. If you want to give extra day, that is we will obviously give how many days? 2.5 days plus 0.5 days we will give. You will take like this. Okay, as of now, we come across with 3 day, 3.5 day and 3.5 day. You have come across with 10 days. Correct. You take the 3 days or take all the 5 days. That should be a best plan to score, because your first exam should be a best exam and you should present your paper in a very good manner. First exam will lead to score and make you pass in this attempt. So give more days for this paper 5. So this paper 5 we are going to give. So entire 15 days is gone. So in this days, how we are going to give? The same plan we are going to do. This 3 days. First, complete. I will separate as 1.5 days and 1 day. In this 1.5 days, do the topic company accounts, most important topic, company accounts. Then do the topic not for profit organization. Do chapter 6. Okay, do chapter 6 and do BRS plus inventories you will do. Okay, in the next 1 day, do final accounts. Do final accounts. Then do depreciation. Then do rectification of errors. Okay. Then you will do capital and revenue expenditure. That is the one topic which every attempt they will minimum test you for 2 marks or maximum 4 marks in true or false. So try to go that. Okay, try to do that part. Okay, if you done like this, it will entire portions will be completed except partnership accounts. Okay, in this 2.5 days, you will revise it in this order. And then in this past 0.5 days, you will write one test series. 3 days is gone. Still you are left with 2 days. The last 2 days, don't write anything. Without partnership accounting, you are writing a test series, but we have already prepared partnership accounting in first revision. After this 3 days, mark which chapter you are finding it difficult to do it in your examination. Okay, which paper or which chapter you are feeling is difficult. Some may feel NPO is difficult. Some may feel rectification of errors is difficult. Some students will feel I am not very good grip on company accounts and all. They may feel like in this way. So what you can do? You can do it in this way. Okay, and without partnership accounting, you are writing a test series, and then you will spend 1 full day for partnership accounting. That is starting from the scratch, your unit 1 to unit 5. Don't feel that unit 1 and unit 2 will not come in your examination. They will only test your admission and retirement, and then never treat like this. You will only treat which way. Chapter 1 also there may be possibility to test you 5 marks. In goodwill also there may be a good possibility to test you on another 5 marks. So make sure what you are trying to do.